On my cardio days at the climbing gym, I use my phone as a stopwatch and lap counter while I do my laps on the auto belay wall. I typically hang the phone from one of the small holds, but sometimes there aren't any small holds to use. Today, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to make a Kydex phone stand next. This is going to be a quick and simple build of a Kydex phone stand. I'll be using all of what you see here to drill and shape a flat sheet of Kydex into my new wall-mountable phone stand. To mount the stand, the T-nut and bolt only needs one full turn into the auto belay wall's T-nut. Place the stand over the bolt, then slide it down to secure it against the wall. Most of the time, there's no good climbing hold to hang my timer from, so I usually end up laying it on the floor. Even that can be nice, since I can see the clock from the top of the wall, but I still prefer it mounted at an upward angle on the wall. I can still see it from the top of the wall, and it's not lying on the floor waiting for an accident to happen. I know not many people need a timer to go climbing, but maybe the stand can serve another purpose, like holding a camera. I hope you found this video useful. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.